What's up guys and welcome to the video. So special thanks to Hoshek Motor Mercedes-Benz dealer. It's located in Brno in Czech Republic, and also here is a AMG Performance Center. What's up guys, so welcome to this video. So this is the new G-Class W464, and this is completely new car after like 40 years. So this year is actually anniversary of the G-Class. Welcome to this review, and I will show you exterior, interior of this car, features of this car. I will start the car and hear the exhaust, so let's go. I already have one G500 review and also test drive on my channel from like September, but it was in a different color. It was in matte gray Magno color, and also it had like a black interior. So this is different spec, so I wanted to show you this great car. So this is the key for the car, a new style Mercedes key. And as you can see, this car is blue, is in a brilliant blue metallic. And it's bigger than the predecessor, W463. So let's take a closer look at this car. So as you can see in the front, the characteristic, let's first unlock the car. I will start the lights. So this new round LED headlights is like a signature style for the new G-Class, and I really like it. I think it looks amazing. So this is G500, and there is also G63 AMG and also new 350D diesel engine. So I really like these lights, and these are the multi-beam LED lights. There we go, multi-beam. So these are the best lights from Mercedes. Sorry if you can hear some noise, because there is a road and also it's windy, but I will go to the interior shortly. So yeah, these are the wheels, 20-inch wheels, Pirelli Scorpion tires. So these are actually summer tires, actually no, all-season tires, sorry. So Pirelli Scorpion Zero. Okay, so let's start the car so it can heat up the interior because it's really cold today. So let's go. Alright guys, so let's start the car. Heavy doors. All right. So easy entry. I will show you interior later, but for now I need to heat up the interior because it's really cold here. Alright, so let's go. So you can better hear the exhaust in the cabin. Alright, so these are the old school indicators. I really like them, but now they will go into the car when you hit pedestrian in the crash, so that's great. And also these arches are really nice. The car is wider than the predecessor, and finally it doesn't have a rubber windshield, but it's glued. Here you can see the Daimler logo, and finally normal wipers, not like the old school wipers. So the color is also beautiful, I really like it. V8 badge and also signature wheel in the back. Here you can see the camera for assistance. So I really like how this looks, even if it's not the AMG version. It really looks great. It looks masculine and it looks better than the predecessor in my opinion. Even though many people say it looks like a more rounded, but in person it's like a little bit rounded. It's not like a very rounded or something. Still it's a very massive car. And G500 on the back. You can have a tow hitch here. These vents also. Really nice. You can also, I can actually hear the auxiliary heating working. So during winter you can preheat the car and enter in the warm car already, in the warm interior. You can do it from the Mercedes Me app. So you can set from your iPhone or Android phone, and the car will start to heat, and then you will enter the defrost and the hot car without engine running. So that's amazing. So let's check out the engine space. So there should be engine lever, okay. It's always a struggle a little bit sometimes how to open this, but this is easy, it's just here. Alright, so this is the heart of this car. So the G500 and G63 share like V8 engine, but in G63 it's much more powerful. 585 horsepower, and this is 422. You can see this bar for the additional rigidity. I can only feel it's warm. And yeah, you as a user would only use probably here windshield wipers fluid, and yeah, that's basically it. A lot of heat shields. So really nice and big engine here. Alright. So one more thing I want to show you is the multi-beam. And let's take a look at multi-beams. So this is how the lights look. It's not flashing only in person, only a little bit on the camera sometimes. So it really looks beautiful, this car, with the lights, with the LED daylight stripes, and also with the multi-beam lights. Really nice aluminum pieces for the AMG line. And you have a cover here, so if you pull up something somewhere and it's more open something, then you don't hit, you are covered. You can see there the exhaust suspension. And those wheels look really nice. Also this part, signature G-Class. Also this logo, just amazing. So guys, I also want to show you how this car looks when you are going to open it. Folding mirrors and beautiful G-Class locking sound. These plastic door handles. You have a Schuckel approved on the mountain in Graz in Austria. And you can see the G-Class animation. So if I easy entry exit system.
Route is being calculated.
If I turn the ignition on,
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
I can change it to sport mode and then start the car. So really nice deep sound, even if you have closed door. And with open door it's even more. So here is the exhaust. So really great sound. And as you can see, the car is heated up. So just wonderful car. Really amazing job, Mercedes. So if you move with the car and you want to back up, and you changed already the language to Czech, but you can see the bird's view, and also you can see the rear view. And if you put it in the drive and go forward, then this is actually the front view. And also on this side, bird's view. So you can see, you can go and park next to the wall and you don't hit the wall. So you can see a red line there. So this is amazing. So yeah guys, that would be all from the G-Class review, and I was very happy to do this review for you. And if you like this video, then let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this content, then please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on. Alright guys, so that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day!